All right, we got another great basement here. So check this out. We have a pretty big open concept, a lot going on here. We have a bathroom I'll get to in just a minute. But right here, we have these frameless glass doors going into the gym. Super sharp, very classy looking. We have mirrors on all the walls. We have a sauna back there. We have a storage room for extra equipment. And it's just done really nice. A lot of equipment in here and works out nice. So I angled this corner right here to get into this part of the basement. And we put the full bath right here. We got a great floating vanity, the mirror with the backlit light. And then we come into this area. This is always the toughest area in the basement to use because it's right at the staircase and it's like, what do we do here? In this case, we have a couch obviously here and we put a TV, and this is a gaming area for the kids so they can utilize this space that would otherwise be dead. The other thing is when you come down the stairs, the first thing you always notice, if there's an alcove here, people want to put closets, which I get, you want to have the storage, but I hate the look of those closet doors as soon as you come down the stairs. So what we chose to do is build this decorative panel wall and hide all the closets and the storage. So instead of this being a double door and this being another double door, what we have is hidden panels and storage in here. So it looks much nicer than having 4 doors right there. So if we come back out this way, you'll see the basement really goes for a while. We got a big family room area here and a TV setup with a tray ceiling, which looks really sharp, but the showstopper is actually behind it. So check out this hockey rink. We have these great barn doors here and we have this hockey rink. So you come in here and it's legit. This is real synthetic ice. We actually did wallpaper on the walls behind it, showing that we're actually like at a real ring with the mini Jumbotron, and we even went as far as making a penalty box in there. So you can open this up, and that door on the other side actually leads back out to the area where we were by when you come down the stairs, and you can actually come in that way or sit here and watch the kid practice his shots. We got a great tray ceiling in here, but this is just so cool, right? This mini Jumbotron, and these come in different sizes as well, so super sharp, but we aren't done. We got a lot more basement here. Again, we're back out to the family area, super cozy, comfortable couch area, and just adjacent to that, we have this bar. And Frank from Grand Interiors, he just continues to make us look good, and did such a great job here. All custom-made cabinets, the details, and on the bar we have the LED lights, 3 TVs, tray ceiling, sharp looking. Even check out the front of this bar too. Look at the detail here. Right, I know the chairs block most of it, but it really looks fantastic. What I love is how we utilize this space right here. We made this wine cellar, but it's not climate controlled, it's not huge, it's not this big walk-in thing that breaks the bank, but it's almost like artwork. We just have this frameless glass doors here, lit up with the wine bottles, super classy. And then on this side here, we had a furnace and a hot water heater. Once again, didn't want a bunch of doors to get into that, but we wanted it to look nice, so we came over here and we built more hidden doors going into the storage area. So instead of 2 doors right here and a plain wall, we have this beautiful decorative wall, which is so much nicer than the doors. Last but not least, we have an amazing theater. Come through these doors here and you see this great theater. One of the things I love about this theater is it's all painted dark, really sharp, even the crown molding. It's not 2-tone or 3 different colors. And it just feels good when you're in here watching a movie. We have the platform seating, we have the ground seating, we even have the concession stand. I mean, this is just calling me right now. I just want to sit here and chill. It just feels so good. The whole basement in general is fantastic. And we're really grateful that the homeowners invited us to design and build this basement.